So for this recipe, we're starting off with 2 cups of black-eyed peas soaked overnight, 2 cups of red kidney beans soaked overnight, 2 cups of red lentils soaked, 2 thin sliced green chilies, mild, 1 handful of cilantro or coriander. I've got 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, finely chopped, a tablespoon of vegan chicken stock powder, 1 inch of ginger, very finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 Scotch bonnet or other type of your choice. Now going in with some olive oil, I'm frying up the onions alongside the garlic and the ginger to get it all started off, and we're going to give that a good stir. Next, adding in the green chilies and the turmeric. Now going in with the beans, we're going to add in our black-eyed peas and our kidney beans and our lentils. Now if they get stuck, just add a little bit of water in there, give it a swirl, and drop them in. Next, I'm adding in the vegan chicken stock and the cilantro or coriander leaves and the Scotch bonnet pepper. Now, I'm just going to cover that with water just until it reaches the top of the beans, and I'm then going to add in some salt and let it stew. After about an hour or 2 on a low flame, let it do its thing. You're going to enjoy a very, very nice dish. This is hearty, it's healthy, it's really, really good for the soul. Now, this recipe was submitted to me by Lele on TikTok. It's an absolutely delicious recipe, folks. I genuinely recommend trying this. Full of flavor. The coriander really gives it a nice touch. And I hope you enjoyed this video, folks. If you want to challenge me to make one of your recipes, feel free to talk to me on TikTok. That's where you usually find me. And yeah, that's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this one. Ciao for now. See you on the next one. And that's how you make vegan stew peas from Montserrat.